Hi, let me introduce myself. My name's Daisy, and I'm completely made with the help of AI. What does that mean? That means that I'm not a 3D rendering, but rather a 2D image created from an AI prompt. And then I'm brought to life as a fully animated character using AI video generators. In fact, my creator doesn't know how to make 3D animations or 3D renderings and doesn't own a powerful computer. I was designed to help teach people how to make fully animated avatar characters like myself and to help teach people how to use AI in general. So why the long introduction? Simply put, there's going to be a lot of changes happening to this channel, and I just wanted to get everyone up to speed. To start, I'm on 3 platforms: YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, but I don't post the same content on each platform. In fact, each platform has its own exclusive content. For instance, on Instagram, I'm now only going to post images of myself in different outfits as regular image posts and short 10-second animations as reels. No more tutorials. On YouTube, you can find tutorials in 8K over 10 minutes long in a wide format. This is the only place you can find videos of mine like this. And lastly, on TikTok, I make the same tutorial videos, but they're in a vertical format and it has a 10-minute limit. New to the channel, I'm gonna start rolling out 1-minute quick tip videos. They'll be exclusive to TikTok and YouTube Shorts. I'll release these videos more frequently, and they will allow me to answer a lot more of your questions much faster. Other exclusive content will roll out in the future, and I'm working on some in-depth courses people can buy and own on different subjects. Something you may not know about this channel is that I frequently use ChatGPT to come up with ideas. One idea, it suggested that I make this explainer video for new subscribers who are trying to figure out what this channel is all about. I hope this was helpful and that you stick around for future videos. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!